Sigrid Dahl ran a small outdoor gear shop out of a unit in Bergen. Wax rain jackets, technical layers, the sturdy things people trust in the mountains, and the weather. All of it sold through the website she had built herself. Like everyone, she had bolted on the normal tools. Analytics to see her visitors. A pixel for her ads. The standard cookie banner her shop platform came with. She assumed all that was simply handled. The letter arrived as an email from a law firm on a rainy Bergen morning. Dear Mrs. Dahl, we represent a resident of the European Union who visited your website. Before they gave any consent, your site sent their personal data, their location, what they browse, to servers in the United States. Under the privacy law, the letter said, transferring people's data like that without a lawful basis is illegal. It named the culprits. Analytics that phoned home before consent. A pixel that shared activity with a third party. A cookie banner that set trackers before anyone ever touched it. The fines, it warned, can reach 20 million euros or 4% of a company's worldwide revenue. Resolve it in 30 days, or a formal complaint goes to the Data Protection Authority. Sigrid had read about those fines in the news, the ones in the hundreds of millions. She had never once thought it had anything to do with her little gear shop. But the law did not care how small she was. It only cared what her website actually did, so she ran a scan of her own site and watched. Before the cookie banner even appeared on the screen, her website had already sent a visitor's data, their location, their browsing, across the ocean to companies she had never chosen. And that was the part that truly unsettled her. She had done the responsible thing. She had a cookie banner, and it had been decorative the entire time, a polite little pop-up asking permission while the trackers had already fired behind it. The fines were real. Regulators across Europe had already ruled these exact data transfers unlawful. It did not have to be her shop that got made an example of. But the risk was real, and it had been running quietly on her site every single day. But the fix started with simply seeing. She could watch exactly what her site sent and when before any consent. She did not have to guess. She could fix the thing that actually mattered and know that her customers' data finally stayed theirs. Sigrid had built a shop on gear people staked their safety on, and her own website had been quietly sending her customers' private data across the world before they ever agreed to a thing. Right up until the day she finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information